So I got this new lock, but they put the keys on the shackle. I don't know how I'm gonna unlock this thing to get my keys off.
Somebody call a locksmith.
All right, so welcome back to 75 TV. I'm Adam,
And I'm Luke.
and today the age-old question of what calibers are going to open padlocks. We've got a few different padlocks, a few different calibers. It's either about to be a real short video or a real long video, but let's go ahead and get it started. All right, so first caliber, we've got a 22 LR. This is just some Remington box special 40 grain. We're about, what do you say, about 12 to 15 yards. Not hitting on the first try. Let's see. Well, I'll be dipped.
Well, let's go check that out.
Ferrotech conversion.
Pretty nice. Well,
I mean, we could try and shoot it again, but I don't think that's going to make a difference.
I mean, your whole bullet's right there. It didn't even peel apart the laminated part of the lock.
So,
yeah, it didn't even penetrate into the
lock. Show him the bullet. Bullet is mashed into the lock. Okay, I say let's get another lock. Move up to a new caliber.
All right, next up is 9mm out of a handgun. This is a Beretta APX Centurion. This is actually the first gun I ever bought. Also, don't shoot it very well. You'll see why.
They don't even know about take one, so we're just gonna run it back. They never saw it.
All right. Let's see what happened. All right. I think I hit the bottom of it.
Did you knock it off? You grazed it.
Mm-hmm.
I say hit it again.
Yep. All right. Take two. That seems solid.
Did you hit it this time? Oh, you did hit it this time.
Yep. So, I mean, well, we can't get through it unless we shoot through it now, if you look at that.
Huh. No, I think you still get a key in there.
Lockpicking lawyer?
Well, you can't open it. The shackle's not loose, so honestly,
you want to try with a longer barrel 9mm? Use the same lock?
Yeah. We'll flip it this way.
Yeah. I got thirsty. All right, so this is a 16-inch barrel, 9mm. It's a CZ Scorpion. Let's see if it does anything differently. Definitely hit it harder. Oh, I hit the shackle, I think.
I think it's more impressive.
Yeah, I hit it right there. Oh, yeah.
Well, show them where you hit it. And then
I hit the shackle right there, and it bent it pretty significantly.
Okay.
But not even a scratch.
So I'm gonna say 9mm is a definite. Oh, no, it's still locked, and it's permanently locked. So no.
Yeah.
Okay. Bigger.
Bigger. Bro has to sit when he pees.
All right, so we pulled this out of my glove box. It's a T-Sauce 1911, Valkyrie Dynamic Comp, and Wilson Combat full guide rod. So it's pretty good. Let's see if we can hit this thing. I think I've shot all of 100 rounds to this pistol. Did I knock it off again?
That's what I'm thinking. Oh, well, kinda.
That's a hit.
It is a hit.
Not going through.
No, not at all. Now you know you lost the corner off your totem chip last week.
Not nary the damage.
It's a little boo womp if you look at the like a stack. It's just and she's still locked. So all right, let's go to another caliber. Next up is 5.56. This is out of a PSA Jackal. It's a 14.5 pin and weld. So let's see what I can hit. Let's roll this Yammerton on in. Let's go a little higher. Hide over bore. I don't think I hit it. I think I knocked it off.
Yep. Ah, you grazed it on the side.
On which side?
It was so you grazed it on the left side. It was like that.
So then I just need to go up higher. Okay, cool. I know where to go now. All right, take two. Hopefully we don't graze it this time. Also, it's good.
That looks solid. Cameraman about knocked over the camera. Big meaty grippers. You hit the shackle.
Hit the shackle.
2 or 3 shots will get through that.
Let's
You wanna try again?
let's go for the body.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can hit the body this time because I totally was trying to aim for the shackle on purpose.
Jesus. We're in.
There we go.
Flew straight through it.
Bad nice. All right, so now we found the minimum.
The secret sauce.
So now let's try something a little heavier.
All right, next up, 7.62 by 39 out of a PSA AK. This is gonna be iron sights, so I'm really not sure where these are. Let's go. I hope it hit. Motherfucker.
How did you kiss it?
I kissed the shackle too.
But do you remember what you were aiming at?
Yeah, vaguely. Oh, but I blew a pin out. Kinda. All right, take 2. Oh,
That was a good hit.
that was solid.
No, it flipped.
Did I break the piece of wood in half?
No, you flipped the wood around. The lock is no more.
But we still wouldn't be in. I just want to point that out.
There's no way you could open that?
Hell no.
Yeah, you're not opening that. You're not in.
But no one else is getting in either.
I think you can put a key in there, maybe.
What are you turning?
Well, I wonder why the... Well, I guess because the shackle's bent all the way over, so that's why the shackle's not going to come out. Okay, well, AK go boom. Rock my shit. All right, so up next, you know, when you think of a breaching device, I think of a 12 gauge shotgun. We've got some 2 3/4 double aught buck. Trying to get it situated here. Not to mention, this thing's got a turkey choke. They say you can shoot lead shot through it, obviously, so hopefully buckshot's okay.
And there is a reason we call that sacrificial GoPro down there.
Yeah, that might be the end of this camera. All right, let's see what happens. Well, the GoPro's okay.
Lock went flying.
Let's check it out.
So the rest of the locks have landed right here. I saw this one fly this away. Oh. Well, Mr. Breacher, you made it in.
Look at there.
But hardly any damage.
Well, I'm not.
I really don't know how
Look at the
you.
buckshot.
Yeah, I mean, there's still just a solid pellet right there.
Just force.
I think like these locks are the ones that you can just smack a little hard enough.
Yeah,
So
I think we succeeded in smacking it hard enough.
I mean, it did fly back about 10 yards. So, all right, cool. All right, so our final results, 22. Yeah, you might as well forget about that. 9 mil.
Still, very much.
I think a few shots of 9 mil, you could get through it. But at the end of the day, I don't know how close I want to be, you know,
Yeah,
standing to these things. 45, it looks like it didn't do much damage, but when you look at the lock itself, it twisted the entire body of the lock.
which probably just locked you out even worse.
Yeah.
So, probably not using your granddad's favorite pistol. 5.56 hit the shackle with those were M855, so a couple of those through the shackle would definitely cut through it. But when you hit the body, it just blew it straight out.
I feel like if you could center it up on the shackle as well,
Yeah, you
you
might have-
probably could get through it because that just grazed it.
Mm-hmm.
And then
7.62. I mean, it speaks for itself. That was a bunch of carry through energy. 12 gauge. I mean, it opened it. It doesn't look like there was much damage done to it, but I think there's just the sheer impact of all of that opened up the shackle.
Can you lock it again? Will it lock? Yeah. Oh, look at there. So it literally just hit it hard enough to pop the...
So, I mean, if you need in, carry a 12 gauge and you can lock yourself back in.
Also, we're not going to talk about how not easy these were to hit.
Yeah. There's a blooper reel.
Yeah, we'll sneak that in. You see the top of the board? But hope you guys found this video interesting. If you want to see any other calibers, maybe a part 2 to this eventually, we could do that.
Maybe different kinds of locks.
True. We could do maybe some heavier duty locks.
Not the Harbor Freight 3-pack for $6.
Hey.
Limited
we're balling
funds.
on a budget out here. So
Yeah, if you enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.
bye-bye.